This is the cover for the dashboard, at the center of the dashboard of the Ford Econoline E-150. So to remove this cover, as you'll see here, there's an insertion tab here to insert a flat screwdriver to pry it open. As you'll see, near it there's a lock clip here, also at this side here. So pry on this side, moving towards here. At this side there's no lock, also at this side there's no lock, but at this side here and here there's a lock. So remember the locking clips. Here's the opening to insert a flat screwdriver. Here's the lock tab here beside it, and here at the corner, and here there's none.